Hello, Clearwater scientists. We are here for another lesson on, as you can see, climate regions. I'm going to be reading along the book. You can follow along with me as I read. What's the weather like today? What was it like the last year on this date? Probably just about the same. We can predict what the weather will be like next year because weather tends to follow a pattern over a long period of time. The big patterns of weather describe a region's climate. Climate describes the typical weather conditions in a region. The climate in Hawaii is quite different from the climate in Minnesota. The Hawaiian climate is warm, sunny, and pleasant all year. Think about, boys and girls, from yesterday, the graph we did looking at the Hawaiian temperature in Hilo, how it was essentially the same all year round. Back to the book. The Minnesota climate is freezing and cold in winter and hot and humid during the summer. Meteorologists have created models to describe climate in different regions of Earth. The general rule is that a place close to the equator has a warm climate, and a place further from the equator has a cold climate. With this simple rule, regions fall into three groups. The polar zone, at the north and south poles, have very cold climate with long winters. The tropical zone near the equator has a hot climate and no winter. Everything in between is in the temperate zone. With this simple model, most of North America is one climate zone.